Hey guys, it's Joseph. Now, before we begin our video today, we want to go over a question Kenneth asked on our which battery pack to use video. After Kenneth updated his phone to iOS 16.2, he could no longer check the battery's remaining hours on the Blackview battery app. If you're experiencing the same or similar issues with the Blackview battery app too, then we recommend you to use the Blackview app instead. Back in October 2022, a couple of months ago, Blackview integrated the Blackview battery app functions into the Blackview app. So now you can manage your Blackview dashcam, Blackview Cloud, B124, B124X, and the B130X battery packs using the same Blackview app. The Blackview battery app is still available, so you can still use it. But if you're having problems with the old Blackview battery app, then you can give the Blackview app a try. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Now on to our video where we're going to be talking about insurance scams. Now, insurance scams have become increasingly frequent since the pandemic, costing many drivers millions in increased premiums. According to AAA, fraud is a factor in one of every 3 insurance claims. The FBI reports that families pay $400 to $700 more yearly in insurance premiums thanks to car insurance scams. And according to the Insurance Research Council, Florida and New York have the highest rate of car insurance fraud in the US. Car insurance fraud is a $2 billion per year problem in Canada. Canadian drivers pay on average $125 to $236 more each year to cover the cost of insurers getting defrauded. So you might be wondering what kind of scams fraudsters pull to cause that much damage. Let's check it out. Scam number 1, staged car accidents. Now, some fraudsters deliberately stage auto collisions to submit insurance claims for fake injuries and auto damage. Sometimes they have already caused extensive damage to their vehicles elsewhere or do so later to make larger claims. The most common stage accident scams may involve rear-end collisions, where the scammer will pull in front of you, wait for you to get close, and then jam on those brakes, causing you to rear-end them. This works because in most cases, the person who rear-ends the other vehicle is almost always at fault. Another common staged accident is the wave-in hit. In this scam, you'll be waved through by another driver who has the right of way. Now, when you begin to proceed, the scammer will speed up to cause an accident. So they, of course, will deny waving you through and make it seem like it's your fault. This generally works because it is difficult to prove the other driver waved to you. Now, say you have a dash cam, it would have captured the incident so that instead of a he said, she said story, you're gonna have video evidence that shows that you are actually the victim. Scam number 2, jump-in passenger. So in this scam, you get into an accident and exchange insurance information with the other driver. There are no witnesses and the police are not called to the scene. So you later find out from your insurance company that a passenger is claiming injuries and hoping to get a settlement from your liability car insurance. But you are positive that this additional passenger was definitely not there, so how could they be claiming injuries? So this is why it's important to note down as much detail about the scene as possible when you are there. Snap photos with your smartphone too, because photos from your smartphone along with video footage from your dash cam is going to help the insurance company determine whether or not a claim is false. And you can also scan the area for security cameras that may have recorded the scene of the accident from other angles as well. Scam number 3, Bandit tow truck. Now in this scenario, the scammer is the tow truck driver. A tow truck magically appearing after an accident or a breakdown may seem like good luck at first glance, but if you did not call for a tow, there is a good chance that this is a scam. This is a common insurance fraud ring scam. A tow truck driver arrives at the scene of an accident and recommends towing your vehicle to a specific repair shop. The repair shop pays the tow truck driver a fee for bringing your vehicle to their shop. Now, the repair shop will then overcharge for repairs and make up required repairs, costing you and your insurer way more money. So how do you avoid these towing scams? First off, avoid unsolicited towing services. If you have the VO4 T130, you should also point your dash cam towards the tow truck driver so you can get video documentation of any conversations exchanged. And don't turn off your dash cam just because your vehicle is safe on the back of the tow truck. Keep it rolling so that in case anything happens to your car while you're away, you have video evidence of it as well. Scam number 4, exaggerated injuries and damages. Oh man, Whether in a staged or normal accident, the scammer will act as if they suffered a serious injury so they can get a larger payout to cover their medical expenses. But since they were not injured that seriously, if at all, they just pocket the insurance money that they receive. They will usually claim an injury that is difficult to notice, such as whiplash or other internal injuries. Now, similar to fake injuries, the scammer will claim that their vehicle was damaged far worse than what it was so that they could pocket the insurance payout. Scam number 5, fraudulent car repairs. Now, most of us drive, but not everyone knows their way around under the hood of a car. Mechanics who are unethical take advantage of customers' lack of knowledge and charge top dollar to install substandard parts. A classic example is the airbag repair scam. When they're fixing your car, the insurer pays to replace expensive airbags, but what the repair shop does is install recycled parts and pocket the difference. Or they may not even install an airbag at all, filling the space with other materials. It's unsafe and definitely can be considered a criminal act. So can a dash cam help fight car insurance scams? Yes, it can. Your word against theirs simply isn't enough. A dash cam can potentially help fight car insurance scams by providing video evidence of an accident or an incident. By having a clear, unbiased record of the events, you can avoid being taken advantage of by scams and fraudulent claims. Dash cams record the view from a vehicle's front, rear, and interior and can help establish facts such as the speed, the actions of the drivers, and the road and weather conditions at the time of the incident. Dash cams can also deter scammers as they know that their actions are being recorded. So we hope our video has provided you with a better look at some of the car insurance scams out there, and a reminder that the dash cam doesn't just come in handy for recording road rage or accidents, but all the other road situations and moments as well. So if you don't have a dash cam in your vehicle yet, you can find a wide selection of them on our website. And if you have any questions, you can find us on live chat, email, or even give us a call. And if you're ready to make a purchase, you can use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout to take 5% off. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.